What up, boy? What up, boy? People wonder why I love birds so much, and you're the reason I love birds so much. One of them. You're one of the reasons. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get up there? You can't. I mean, you could, I guess. You know, you can't fit in there. See? See, it's too small for you. Because you're big. You have a really long tail. What? What's up, Buttercup? Come on. You're gonna get mad at me? Because I took that away from you, now you can't chew it up? Oh no, now you're gonna chew the chair up, huh? Is that what you're gonna do? Don't fuck with me. Hi. Hi. I know you want to bite me. Do you see yourself? Look. Look. No, look at the camera. Look at the camera. I mean, look at the screen. Look. Right here. Right here. Okay, you can keep looking at me. Am I interesting? Am I stimulating you? Yeah? What up, boy? Well, yes. Indeed. Yeah. Hi. Hi. He looks pretty far away from me at this perspective, but we're pretty close. We're pretty close. See? Pretty close. I can see him. Hi. What's up with you? What's going on? What's new? In the life of a green-winged macaw. A green-winged macaw. You can't chew that out. No, you can't. Just don't. Yeah, I know you can, but I'm not letting you. Jump up there, yes, couldn't stay. No, don't grab the mortar and pestle. No, don't chew the chair. Now the cat wants in. In the gray hair. Whoa, what's wrong? Did I startle you? I'm sorry. I'm gonna let the cat in. Did you move over to my chair? That's my chair. That's not your chair. Are you trying to bite my lip?